Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to add and import questions into Google Forms. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to open your browser and search for form. Here you can see 9 dots. You have to press on this. Here you can see different type of Google apps. You just have to scroll down. Here you'll find forms, which is purple color. You have to press on this. You can select your form by here. You can see here different type of forms. You can select your forms by here. Here you can see template gallery. You have to press on this. You can find your forms. If you want to create new one, then press on this blank form. Now here, if you want to add and import questions, you just have to press on this icon. Here you can see import questions. Press it. From here, you can select your question. Now press on this insert. Here you can see your import questions. If you want to select all of them, then press on this select all. Then press on this import questions. Or if you want to select individually, then select one by one. And press on this import questions. See, you can see here my questions. And press on the send option. You can send your form by email address or you can share your URL. That's it. So this is how to add and import questions into Google Forms. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.